In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, edit, customize, and link text in the Wix editor. This is a comprehensive guide, so whether you're new to Wix or just looking to refine your skills, you'll find this walkthrough both informative and easy to follow. Let's start by diving into the Wix editor. First, what you're going to want to do is locate the Add button, which is often represented by a plus icon on the editor's left-hand toolbar. Clicking this will open up a whole range of elements that you can add to your page. But for our purpose today, we're going to focus on adding a button. Navigate through the options until you find the Buttons section, then select it. Here, you'll be able to choose from a variety of button styles, but since we are focusing on link text, you'll want to pick the style that best suits your website's aesthetic. Once you've selected and added your button, you'll notice you can freely drag and drop it to where you want it to live on your page. This is a great time to think about design and user experience. Ensure that your button is placed somewhere intuitive and easy to see. Now that your button is in place, the next step is to customize it to fit your needs. Click on the button now and you'll see an option called Link. Clicking this will open a settings window where you can configure your link. From this menu, choose Web Address. This is where you'll add the URL to which you want your visitors to be redirected when they click your button. You might want to link to an external website, an internal page, or any other web address relevant to your content. Just type or paste the URL into the provided field. At this point, remember to think about what experience you want to provide to your visitors. If you're linking to another site, consider whether you want the link to open in a new tab so that visitors don't accidentally navigate away from your site completely. There's usually an option to set this in the link settings. And there you have it. You've successfully added a linked button to your Wix site. Testing is always a good idea next. Save your work and move your site into preview mode to ensure everything works as it should. Click your new button and confirm that it redirects as intended. With these steps, you can enhance visitor interaction on your website by guiding them smoothly to the resources or content you want to highlight. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide has helped make the process of adding, editing, customizing, and linking text in Wix a little clearer. Make sure to stay tuned for more tutorials that can help you create the perfect web experience. Until next time, happy editing!